Yes, good day once again, good people. So now we have two equations, which is a linear equation and a quadratic equation. We are supposed to solve x and y simultaneously. So first thing you do, you equate your equations. So how do you do that? This becomes equation number one, and this becomes equation number two. So we have to find equation number three because now we are using substitution method to solve our equations here. So now from linear equation, which is equation number one, we make either y or x subject of the formula. So now it is going to be much easier if we make y subject of the formula because we have one y here. We are going to substitute it there. So this becomes y equal to 2. You take that x to that side, it becomes minus x. Then this is equation 3. So good people, what do? You substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2. So where you see y on our equation 2 here, good people, you're going to substitute 2 minus x. So let us do that, good people. Let us do. So good people, what is going to happen now? We just substitute, then where we see y on our equation of quadratic, we substitute 2x, 2 minus x. So that's actually what we are doing now. So we have here x squared plus 3x into 2 minus x plus 8 is equal to 0. So again, then what we do, good people, we simplify the equation. So we are going to simplify, break the bracket here. So we multiply in order to do so. Here we have x squared plus this, we multiply 3 by 2 is going to give us 6. Then we have x, then that one is going to be, remember the sign, you just yeah, come with it like that. Then you do what? You multiply all over. We have 3x squared plus our 8 is going to be equal to 0. So here you're just gonna add the like terms and add minus the like terms. So we can see already it's a quadratic equation. Somewhere will factorize. So these ones are the like terms. We are going to x squared minus 3x squared. We get 2x squared, but 2 that is negative because our 3 here is negative. So plus our 6x, then we have 8 there, we have 8 here equal to 0. So what do we do when in situations like this? We have to find x. We simplify the equation, we divide all over by negative 2. So when we do that, we get x squared minus negative 3x. This one divide is becoming negative 4 equal to 0. So in this case, we just have to factorize in order to find the value of x. So now we are looking for the factors of 4, of which you add, they give you negative 3. So yes, let us put our bracket first. Yes, good people. So now the factors of 4, of which you add, they give you negative 3. So 4 is basically 4 and 1 because when you minus 4 minus 1 is going to give you negative 3. So one thing for sure, we are going to have 4 and 1. But the signs, how do you get to the point of the signs, good people? So now you look at the sign here in the middle, it's negative. So if it's negative, that means our bigger number, that means it has to be negative. So that 4 will be negative here because we have to get a negative answer there. So our 1 would also be positive here. So that means when we multiply, when we add these two, negative 4 plus 1, they will give you negative 3, and when we multiply them, these two, they will also give us how much? When we multiply, they will give us our 4 there. That is negative. So x is equal to 4, or x is equal to negative 1. So another thing, we have to find the values of y. So finding the value of y, we just equate these answers that we have on our linear equation. So our linear equation, remember, is y equal to 2 minus x. So now where we see x, we're gonna substitute either 4 and negative 1. So that's what is going to happen, good people. So now we start first with this side. Let me do it like this: y equal to 2 minus x, and also that side. So we just substitute here. 2 is going to be minus 4. It's going to give us negative 2. So on this side also is 2 minus negative 1. Remember, we have negative 1 there, good people. So yeah, negative 1. So we're going to add this 2, this multiplied by that, this multiplied by that, this minus by that. So negative by negative is going to be positive. 2 plus, we're going to get 3 there. Our x there is 3. Our y, sorry, y is 3. Y here is 3. So these are our final answers. So for more of these questions, you can just subscribe. I'll be doing more of simultaneous questions for you, good people. Enjoy your